In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your PolyBuzz account, a step-by-step guide. We'll move carefully through each action so you know exactly what to do and what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz and press enter. When the results load, look for the official site at PolyBuzz AI and click through to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you're using the account you intend to delete so your request is tied to the correct profile. Once you're on the PolyBuzz website, look at the upper right corner of the page for your profile icon or avatar. Click it to open the account menu. In that menu, find and select Feedback. This is where you'll submit your deletion request directly to the team. On the feedback form, click into the message field and type the phrase, "I want to delete my account." Keeping the wording simple and direct helps the request get routed correctly. If there's space for additional details, you can briefly mention any context you think is helpful, but it's not required for the request to be processed. Take a quick moment to confirm that the form shows your account details correctly so the team can locate the right profile. When you're ready, click Submit. That's the key action that sends your request to PolyBuzz. After you submit, the PolyBuzz team will process the deletion. Keep an eye on your email inbox and notifications for any follow-up. Processing times can vary, so allow a few business days for a response. If you receive a confirmation message asking you to verify the deletion, make sure you complete that step promptly so the process isn't delayed. A few notes to set expectations. Account deletion is typically permanent, which means you won't have access to your data or content afterward. If you change your mind after submitting the request, respond to any confirmation messages as soon as possible to clarify before the deletion is finalized. Also, if you don't immediately see the feedback option, remember it's located inside your profile menu in the upper right. On smaller screens, it may be tucked inside a menu that looks like 3 lines or dots. That's all there is to it. You've searched for PolyBuzz, opened the official site, accessed your profile menu, selected feedback, stated that you want to delete your account, and submitted the request so the team can take it from there. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and stress-free.